this episode of Cooking with Talik, we are making Grandma's famous leaf lettuce salad. It's a very simple dish, but always a big hit on family functions. To make my grandma's famous leaf lettuce salad, we need a few ingredients, like red and green leaf lettuce. Now, to tell the difference from red and green, you can see on the tips of this one, it's red, and on this one it's green. And also you will need a red onion, which looks like this. It's pretty red. And also you need some tomatoes. So we like to use cherry tomatoes because we like to use this type of cherry tomatoes though. They're called flavor bombs. They're so delicious. And also we would like to use some sugar. We use Domino sugar, but any sugar works besides brown sugar. And also you need white vinegar, some distilled white vinegar. To make this famous leaf lettuce salad, we will be needing to cut these ingredients and put them in the bowl, but also make sure we're gonna make the dressing last so the lettuce doesn't wilt. It's time to make the dressing for the salad. So first you're gonna add in a little bit of sugar. And then you're gonna then you're gonna add some vinegar. 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Be careful when you do this.
Pour it over. Yeah, there we go. 1.
1. So trash.
2.
2.
3.
Sweet. 3. And then you wanna add some salt. It's gonna be the wackiest salad ever. There. Then mix it up. It's about to be a good salad, boys and gentlemen. And ladies. And now we're done. Signing off, please.